So let's solve these three questions using the difference of two squares method. So in case you've not watched the previous video, you can watch it, and also do not forget to subscribe, and you can watch the all-in-one videos on difference of two squares. So how do we do this? Like I told you in our previous video, that is the introductory part of difference of two squares. Difference of two squares is applied when the figure can be expressed as a square number. Like for example, 16 can be expressed as 4 squares. 4 square, right? So same thing with this, 9 can be expressed as 3 square. And do not forget that they must also be separated by a negative sign. So now let's do the first example. That's number 1. Let's do the number 1. So we have 102 square minus 98 square. So we have that 102 minus 98 in bracket multiplied by 102 plus 98 in another bracket. So this is actually common in all these our external exams, terminal exams like WAEC and co. You see that. Okay, now let's take away this. So that is going to give us a 4, right? 4, that becomes 4 times 200. And our answer becomes 800. So you see that using the difference of squares approach makes this to be easier. And precisely, if you see questions like this in exam, you'll be asked to solve it without using calculator. So meaning that it allows you to work faster without using calculator. So let's move to the second example. That is number 2. The number 2 example, where we have x squared minus x squared minus 16. So we can express this 16 as 4 square, right? So that becomes x squared minus 4 square. Then at this stage, we apply our difference of two squares. So that becomes x minus 4 and x plus 4. So that is the factorization of this expression using difference of two squares. So this becomes our final answer. And for this one, let's try to solve it using difference of two squares. As you can see, using the same approach, we express our 9 as exponent of 2. So that gives us x squared minus 3 square divided by x minus 3, right? So the next line, then we apply difference of two squares on this. That becomes that becomes x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3 in another bracket divided by x minus 3. So you can see that x minus 3 cancel each other out. So this x minus 3 cancels x minus 3. Then our final answer for this will be x plus 3. So you can see that simplifying this expression using difference of two square gave us this as our final answer. So that is x minus 3, x plus 3 is rather. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and do not forget to put on the notification bell. In fact, this difference of two square things is actually common in WAEC and JAM. So because they are expressing kids to, get the knowledge of difference of two squares to evaluate, to simplify, and also to factorize. So now let's explore some WAEC questions.